Balancing of chemical equations पढ़ लिया है. Now let's have a quick test for that. So work out these equations for balancing. First one is hydrogen sulfide gas burns in air to form sulfur dioxide and water. Here is equation. Let's now balance it. Oxygen इधर 3 है, यहाँ पर 2 ही है, तो 2 मॉलिक्यूल लेके देखते हैं. So suppose we take 2 molecules of oxygen. इधर भी अब 4 बनाना पड़ेगा. इधर 4 oxygen atoms हो गए. इधर 4 करने के लिए let's make it 2. But अब हाइड्रोजन 4 हो गए, तो let's make this also 4. हाइड्रोजन बैलेंस हो गया है, but now sulfur is unbalanced, so sulfur को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. But now right hand side पे total oxygen atoms is now you can see 4 plus 2, that is 6. So we have to make this 6 by making it 3 oxygen atoms instead of 2. So this is a balanced equation. Second one is iron reacts with steam to form ferrous oxide and hydrogen. So now let's balance this. Here we have 3 iron atoms, तो इधर भी 3 लेने पड़ेंगे. Here we have 4 oxygen atoms, तो इसको भी 4 बनाना पड़ेगा. But now we have 4 hydrogen, 4 to the 8 hydrogen atoms. So here also we have to make it 4 H2. So it's a balanced equation. Next one, barium chloride reacts with aluminium sulfate to form barium sulfate and aluminium chloride. Here is the equation. Now let's balance that. Here we have 3 chlorine atoms. Here we have 2. इन दोनों को इक्वल करने के लिए इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं और इसको 3 से. So chlorine is balanced. Now barium, here it's 3 atoms. Here just 1. So make it 3. Now let's check aluminium, 2 atoms this side and this side also 2. Sulfate SO4 3. Here also 3 sulfate ions are there. So we have a balanced equation. Work out the next one. Sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas escapes out. Here is our equation. Now let's balance that. So here we have 3 hydrogen atoms and here we have just 2. तो इसको नंबर 1 मॉलिक्यूल से काम नहीं चलेगा. Let's take 2 water molecules. अब ऑक्सीजन 2 हो गए, तो let's make it 2. And now sodium is unbalanced, so let's balance our sodium. So check करते हैं. Hydrogen 4 atoms. This side we have 2 plus 2, 4 hydrogen atoms, oxygen 2 and sodium also 2. So it's balanced. Next one, hydrogen combines with nitrogen to form ammonia. So here is our equation. Now let's balance that. Either 3 hydrogen atoms हैं, either 2. So let's multiply this by 2 and this by 3. Now nitrogen 2 है इधर भी 2 है. Hydrogen भी हमारा balance हो गया. So here we have a balanced equation. Next one, potassium bromide reacts with barium iodide to form potassium iodide and barium bromide. Here is our equation. Now let's balance that. So here we have 2 barium atoms. Here it's only 1. So let's balance that. Here we have 2 potassium atoms. Here just 1 is there. So potassium को balance करते हैं. And let's see. Barium is already 1 only on both the sides. Iodine के 2 atoms right side में है and left side में भी. So it's a balanced equation. Next one, nitric acid reacts with calcium hydroxide to form calcium nitrate and water. So here is our equation. Now let's balance that. Nitrate के 2 ions हैं right side में. So left side में भी 2 लेने पड़ेंगे. Now hydrogen atoms count करते हैं. Here we have 2 hydrogen plus 2, that's 4. Here we have just 2. So let's make it 4 by multiplying it with 2. ऑक्सीजन के 2 एटम्स थे इस साइड भी. नाइट्रेट में हमने इस ऑक्सीजन को काउंट कर लिया है, सो वी आर नॉट काउंटिंग इट अगेन. कैल्शियम दोनों साइड पे बैलेंस है. सो हियर वी हैव अ बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन. नेक्स्ट वन, जिंक रिएक्ट्स विद सिल्वर नाइट्रेट टू फॉर्म जिंक नाइट्रेट प्लस सिल्वर. सो हियर वी हैव आवर इक्वेशन. नाउ लेट्स बैलेंस दैट. नाइट्रेट के इधर 2 आयंस हैं, इधर 1 ही है, सो मेक इट 2. अब सिल्वर 2 हो गए, तो हियर आल्सो वी हैव टू मेक इट 2. And now it's a balanced equation. Now the last one, sodium chloride reacts with silver nitrate to form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. So here is our equation and it's already a balanced equation. It's a type of double displacement reaction.